I'm going to make a claim that should make you skeptical. What I'm about to describe is the most complete self help system available on earth. But here is why I can stand behind the word best. Every other system tells you what to do. This one walks it with you. The book gives you the path, the online course gives you my voice, guiding you 20 minutes every morning for 48 days, with a journal page for every day, a letter every dawn, and a method 7 petals, 1 flower that takes you from any trigger to peace in 90 seconds. Not the loudest, not the newest, the most complete. And here is what that word means. Every self help book you've ever read gave you one piece: mindset from one, habits from another, purpose from a third, breathing from a fourth. 20 books, 20 pieces, and still no picture. What's in Me is the picture. It unites the three greatest inner technologies humanity has ever produced from three cultures that never met yet made the same discovery. From Hawaii, Ho'oponopono, four phrases that erase the old mental recordings playing as your problems. From India, the five koshas and Swara Yoga, a 3,000-year-old map of your five layers and the breath that governs them all. From Japan, Ikigai, Kaizen, Kintsugi, the quiet arts that turn wisdom into daily life. And woven through all of it, the essential lessons of 20 self help classics from Frankel to Tolle to Clear. One book, the whole library. And one more thing, I did not write this from a mountaintop. I wrote it from the middle of a broken marriage, raising my son alone, cleaning within, correcting no one until peace came first and my family rebuilt itself around it. I am not asking you to believe the best self help on earth exists. I am asking you to test it 48 days in the laboratory of your own life. The book, the course, the link is below. Peace begins with me, and today, perhaps, with you.